I'm not a professional baker. I'm just a mom trying to put a smile on her kids' faces. So this is how I make my butter icing. That's my margarine, King's margarine. This is the icing sugar 500 gram I bought in the market. And this is my strawberry flavor. I love this flavor. You can even use it for your ice cream as well. And this is my vanilla flavor and the red food color. I want to get this pinkish color. Should I say pink or peach color? Well, it's obviously one of the two I just mentioned. This is my piping bag and my nozzle. They call that nozzle 1M nozzle. Since I'm not a professional baker, I am just trying to satisfy some cravings. I might do some things differently right here that some professional bakers might disagree with, but please bear with me, please. So right here I'm mixing it, I'm mixing it. You just have to keep mixing until your butter doubles in size, whitens up and becomes fluffy. Doing this is kind of tricky because you might end up over mixing it and you'll see oil separating. The oil will separate and go to one side and the curd the other side. Like when I say curd, I mean something looking like a milk going to another side. So you just have to be careful not to over mix it, know when to stop. I sieved in the icing sugar directly into the butter. Please, whenever you're doing this, make sure you sieve the icing sugar because there are some lumps in the sugar that you want to remove. Not necessarily removing them, but you can dissolve it with your fingers. Then gently mix it together. Keep mixing together until it creams perfectly, just like it's looking right now. As you can see, it's well creamed. Now I'm adding my vanilla essence, the strawberry flavor and the food color, half tablespoon each. When making yours, don't add so much liquid into butter icing so that it doesn't become runny, because you need a thick consistency in order to achieve the perfect butter icing for your cake decoration. At this point, I can't even decide which color this is because it's so confusing to me. But this was the actual color I wanted. Like, it's so shiny and bright. My butter icing is ready. Now I can decorate my cake with it. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.